How to integrate Shiprocket with Wix. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Shiprocket with your Wix. So first of all, just open your Wix app market. Just type wix.com.appmarket on your browser, and after that on the search app, just click on it and search for Shiprocket and just click on it. And here you will see your Shiprocket app right here, and just scroll down and go through the overview of Shiprocket. And if you're already familiar with Shiprocket, just go ahead and click on add to site, and once you click on add to site, you will have to select the site that you have designing with your Wix. So just click on site. I'm selecting this one, and after that you just have to agree and add. Just click on agree and add. So in order to start with your account, you have to mention all your details on this particular page, and once you enter all these details, just click on sign up for free, and after that you will be successfully able to integrate your Shiprocket with Wix. So this is how you will be able to integrate your Shiprocket with your Wix. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.